This is our spelling focus for the week of Monday, August the 3rd. This week we are going to be discussing and learning about the graph, or some of you say graph, I know, O, making the sound O as in frog. So it's one letter making one sound is called a graph or a graph. O making the sound O as in frog. So this is Genesis Group's words. We were just going to go through them here. And on Monday, which is today, you say the sounds as you write them. Tuesday, you write the words in colour. Wednesday, you say the names of the letters as you write them. So the names of the letters in this word, got, would be G-O-T, got. The sounds would be G, O, T, got. And then on Thursday, you say the names of the letters and the matching sounds as you write. This is very important because it means you're going to make connections between the letter and the sound. So here you will say this word, got. Then you will say G, G, O, O, T, T, got. You say it again at the end. And you do it again on Friday because it is important. Let's try another one. Long. So we're going to say the letter first. L, O, O, N, N, G, G, long. So we say the name of the word at the start and the name of the word at the end. So can you hear? Got, long, frog, cot, not cat, not C-A, C-O. So got, long, frog, cat. So let's go to the word frog. How many phonemes or sounds can you hear? So frog, F, R, O, G, 4. Again, F, R, O, G, frog. Stretch them out, remember? Next word, cot, cot. Ready? K, O, T. Again, K, O, T, cot. Now the K is the letter C making that K sound, but sometimes we have a choice. The other choice could have been K, but you will need to work that out. You have to look at the word. Does it look right? The last two words are from the 100 most used words, big and but. So big, big, but, g, big. The car that the lady drove was very big. So this is Genesis. And then you need to, I've given you 3 sentences. I'm just going to change this so it looks a little better. And you have to take one of these words and put them in here so the sentence makes sense. You write on the actual line, okay? So this says, the baby sleeps in a got. Doesn't make sense. The baby sleeps in a long. That doesn't make sense. The baby sleeps in a frog. That certainly doesn't make sense. The baby sleeps in a cot. That makes sense. The baby sleeps in a cot. So you would copy the word cot in there for it to make sense. The second sentence is, my sister has something hair. So you repeat the process, go through the words and see if it fits in there to make sense. The third sentence is the boy is growing so something. The boy is growing so, hang on, so got. The boy is growing so long. The boy is growing so frog. The boy is growing so cot. The boy is growing so big. Okay, and then it says write the word got in each box in your best writing. So you write got, 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 and then you do another row. So it's up to you when you want to do that, but it has to be done by Friday. So that's Genesis. Now Romans and Hebrews, I've changed some things as you can see. You should know the routine by now, guys. So your words, let's just choose 3 from this for now. We're going to say them all first. Lost, from, frog, song, long, shop, fond, pots, and the last 2 are from the 100 most used words, time and very. So let's go back up here. Say them again tomorrow. Lost, lost. Let's sound out the phonemes. L, O, S, T. How many phonemes are there? 4. L, O, S, T. 4 phonemes. Lost. I lost my school bag yesterday. Lots of you do that sometimes. Okay, let's go to the word la 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 song. So say the word song. Let's phoneme or sound it out together. S, O, N, G. How many? 4. S, O, N, G. 4 phonemes in the word song. Shop, shop. Sh, O, P. Again. Sh, O, P. How many? 3, because we blended the first 2 letters together. We blended S and H, sh, O, P. Most of the shops, I'll put an S on the end when I make a sentence, most of the shops will be closing soon. It's a bit sad. Don't forget time and very. And then I've got complete the swirly spelling sheet. So look for that in Seesaw. I hope I've got it. I'll upload it to Seesaw. If I haven't got it, you know that you start from the middle of the page and you just do these swirls like that with your pencil and then go and write your spelling words all around the swirl. We've done it a few times in term 1, so hopefully you remember how to do it. But I will see if I've got my swirly spelling sheet that I can upload to Seesaw for you. And you can do that at any day, any one of those days. Hebrews group, let's go through your words. Frogs, shops. Now, as I'm saying the words, you try and say them with me and listen for the sound of the O making O. Frogs, shops, object, solve, often, strongest, softly, October, again, along. So one of the months of the year has the sound of O right at the beginning, October. So let's go to object. What's an object? An object is a thing. If you are holding a pen or a pencil, You are holding an object. Let's sound object out. O, B, J, E, K, T. 6 phonemes or 6 sounds. You're going to need to know this for Thursday's activity when you do the spelling grid. Okay, so there are your words. Practice, 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 practice. And then at the end, I want Hebrews group to put these words. So I've chosen 3 words from your spelling list. Object, solve, again. So you put the words into 3 different sentences for me. Please do your best writing. Please give me a capital letter and a full stop. Well, I need to bring that one back, don't I? At the capital letter at the start of the sentence and the full stop at the end of the sentence, just like this. Thank you, everyone.